They say UGM have taken over the city of Owerri yesterday. Don't be smart, you know. As we they talk now, they say even the governor will get the state to everybody now on the run, everybody take over. Even my brother, whether they call Prophet Roller, so even carry info, enter inside bush. So yesterday was very hot in Owerri as we they talk. But however, no be waiting carry us come today. Another thing carry us come here today to show you. We're going to show you the video of what happened, but e get wetin dey happen for the place wey they call Owerri. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigeria army go that place, go through Ogbunigwe, and many houses for inside that place was affected by this Ogbunigwe wey Nigeria army throw for inside that area. My wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. We still dey here, they bring you update of wetin dey happen for inside Owerri and for Imo State yesterday, and we still get am for our book here. Say that the unknown gunmen by 3 policemen and also by 5 policemen for inside Imo State. All these things happen in some this happened 3 days ago. We get the videos, but because of the horror where the video be, we no fit carry and come up here, but we'll go bring out the videos of wetin happen, show you for wetin happened yesterday, and we'll go bring wetin still happen for inside the Owerri yesterday when the Nigeria police or Nigeria army go there, go through Ogbunigwe, go give the people. So stay tuned and watch the video one after the other. Thank you.
Happening live now, we are in the market. Look at what is going on here. Look at what is going on here. Look at all the men live here. All the men live. All the men live. I'm speaking of live. Market is scattered. Everywhere is scattered. Look at the man here. Look at the man here. I don't know how one as I'm talking to you. I mean, I'm probably not because make us see the same. Because I'm talking to everybody here. Because Nigeria, Imo State, see what is going on in Imo State. See what is going on in Imo State. Yes, sir. See what is going on in Imo State. APC. Jesus. Nah, I got Imo State is now messed up as I'm talking to you now. Happening live here now at Convoy Market, got grass. Where did I say there's no movement again? Everybody is now running head and center. Sit at home. Sit at home. Sit at home. Everybody, sit at home. Hey, let's go. Let's go. I said sit at home. Sit at home.
Everybody there wrong. The whole town don't empty. Unknown gunmen, everybody there wrong. It happened for Weather Road now. Live. Everybody on the wrong. Everybody on the wrong. After Weather Road now, live. Everybody on the run. Weather Road now, live. Everybody on the run. They don't close stadium gate. Everybody on the run.
Baby. I'm not even baby.
Video ya pa husband. Echi. Ha ga bi ba. Buga sa da nda pata ga. Battery dị n'ime. Ndị a buru battery ya.
Ya wata ki ya na ka ti ya ata ki ya. Me ha
Okay, my people, this is what happened in Imo State yesterday, and I'm going to share this particular video. I know why I did not join it in the other video you just watched, so just watch this particular video. This is what the Nigeria Army also did to the people of Owerri yesterday. Just watch the video.
The bomb battle then a bomb everywhere. After a bomb, by Lolo mother, what is your mother now? Bomb, Laman, na. Lolo mother, what is she? Everywhere, not go shop. You go and save our soul. Jesus. I am out when I laugh over die. They do the mother. I am out when I laugh over die. You go and save one eye. You cool, I got the wine. You cool, I got the wine. You go when you didn't plant in the mother.
Yes, my people, this is not the video where we dey talk about of wetin the Nigeria Army did to someone's resident yesterday for inside the place where they call Owerri for Imo State, and this side near Olu side. And na so it take happen because you know say Imo State now have becoming another thing. I don't know what is actually going on, but Imo State is a place that I don't know is a peaceful place before, but since that APC stepped their foot in Imo State, everything began to turn around. Especially starting from the regime of Hope Uzodinma in Imo State, things began to happen. But in a situation like this, it's a very signal to tell the people that this man, the people don't actually want you. So if you are not out for peace, then you resign and let the state be at peace. That Imo State have suddenly turned to war zone. If you watch what happened 2-3 days ago, you will see that some policemen was by they buy about 3 policemen and buy other one girl that do POS, and buy even 5 policemen again. One happened in the Owerri and the other one happened in the Owerri side, inside the Owerri side. So nowhere is safe. If a thing like this would have happened yesterday inside the town of Owerri, just tell me then where is safe again. But the thing is that a lot of people are making comments and saying that all this thing is fake or non-government, that they are doing this thing so that people will not come outside for the end by governance protest, which will take place today. So this is what they said, and I want you to also leave your own opinion in the comment section and let us know what you think about what happened in Owerri yesterday, and also leave a comment of what is currently going on in Owerri. How the Nigerian military are trying to send people to the street, because this is a clear message. You don't have to live in your home, pack your bags and go to the street and live. So my people, drop your own opinion and share this video for more updates as it dey hot. We still dey here to update you as it dey go, so please share.